This is the Keter Denali 150-gallon deck storage box, and we have been really happy with this so far. We got it for use next to our spa, and it's just been a really, really awesome storage container for us. It has the lid that lifts up, and it does have the little pieces here to help assisting the lid, so it's really, really easy. You can do it with very little effort, and it lifts up and it stays up. So you can see here we are actually storing pool and swim spa type chemicals in here. There's tons of room. We love that it's long enough to fit like the poles for like the pool vacuum and pool noodles. That gives you a good reference. There's a pool noodle that fits easily without even having to bend. And it does have a lot of great features. It has this locking spot right here, so you can put a padlock through it if you wanted to, or a combination lock. It has on the sides this textured finish in a light gray, but again, it's like a, I don't know if it's a plastic, it's, you know, very durable, but pretty lightweight. And then the edges are all this dark gray color, and then it has it on the sides as well. Something that we particularly liked about this one is the size is great. It's really durable, but not excessively heavy. We also like that it is strong enough that you can sit on it. This is quite strong. I wouldn't jump up and down on it or, you know, do anything super extreme, but we've stood on it and it just is really, really durable. And I thought it was also a very good value. It does have an indentation here on the side, so if you needed to pick it up and move it, that would really make it a lot easier to move. Just to confirm the dimensions here, the width on the lid is just a hair over 28 inches. The actual footprint of the box is a tiny bit smaller than that, so more like maybe 27, but the lid overhangs a little bit. In the other direction, the lid is about 59.5 inches. Again, the lid is a little bit larger. It kind of has an overhang to it. And if you were to compare that, it's probably about 58 on the ground. So, and the height is about 27.75 inches high. It would be great also for cushions or just anything really outside. We're really glad we got one, and we definitely recommend it.